My special restaurant grade kufta with Biwaz onion salad and tahini sauce. Let's start with half a kilo of veal and half a kilo of lamb. A pinch of salt and black pepper. Knead them into the meat. Chop an onion. Then grab some parsley and chop it too, using a food processor to save time and effort. And of course, don't forget the garlic, minced garlic. Squeeze them if they have extra water. Then add a pinch of salt and knead the meat with the vegetables. Split the recipe into 2 parts. The first half is for the tahini kofta recipe that I already uploaded. Get some kufta skewers. I soaked the skewer in water and vinegar so it wouldn't burn too much in the fire, meaning inside the oven. Use water to shape the kufta. Of course, any shape you want is fine. You don't have to follow this exact pattern. I ended up with 10 skewers from half a kilogram of kufta. Place them in the oven at the highest temperature. The tahini sauce is a mix of yogurt and tahini. Check the recipe below. Add a pinch of salt and some nutmeg will be perfect. Add some garlic and some lemon juice. Stir well. Add some water to reduce the thickness. For the Biwaz salad is half moon onion slices. Chopped parsley, not too fine. Not too coarse. Hot pepper is optional. And sumac is mandatory. It's best to use Arab lettuce. This salad is very famous in the Levant and Turkey. After 15 minutes, our kufta is ready. I'll stuff the bread with cooked kufta and the biwaz onion salad. And the tahini sauce we made couldn't be nicer than this. I hope you try it. All the recipe ingredients are under the video. Share this recipe with friends and don't forget to follow us.